Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option to mute our phone with a gesture. So for example, by default, if someone is calling us, we can mute our phone by placing a hand on our screen or by flipping it over. To turn off this option, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Advanced Features, and in Motion and Gestures, here we have Mute with Gestures option. So, as I said, mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning the phone face down. This option is turned on by default, but if we don't want it, we simply uncheck this little box, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.